everyone, welcome to Kittynyanyao channel. And yes, it has been a while, hasn't it? For today's video, I just want to sit, relax, and talk with you guys while I play Genshin Impact. On the things like updates and upcoming video ideas that I have been thinking about. Sorry it took me a while to be back. I am in the progress of healing for a while and now it's actually doing a lot better. I can finally make new videos. Piles and piles of figures are waiting to be unboxed here in my room. So a lot of unboxing videos soon. I just finished reading a book again. Took me a while to finish one, so yeah. I think I'll go book shopping next time. Also, one of the reasons why it took me a while to come back is my mini microphone broke. I had been using this little guy with the help of my cell phone to do my recordings. And finally, my long-awaited new microphone is home. Say hello to my cute Razer Seiren Mini in Quartz version. It's so cute and it's so pink. Oh, and a precious item arrived recently. But you guys will just have to wait for the video for that, as it is halfway done. And lastly, hope everyone is doing well. Thank you for waiting and for all the support. Talk to you guys again soon, okay? Bye! Thank you for watching.